Now, let's explore how to create stunning AI transitions in CapCut on your phone, making your videos truly stand out creatively. First, let's open CapCut and carefully add your video where you'd like to see a stunning transition effect for your project. Now let's add it all and move to the next step. Now we have this video, right? Or let's choose another one instead, shall we? For example, let's choose this one and then carefully add it. Now we need to add a transition. To create a smooth transition, you need to click on this video and then carefully split it. That's all, folks. Now you have a little dot appearing here. See? Now, as you can see here, we click on it and carefully select the AI transition option for a smooth effect. Now we simply click on Generation, and that's it. However, as you can see here, this transition isn't very cool, unfortunately. Sure, it's an AI transition, but honestly, it's not that great. We can simply add an AI transition, but now let's choose one from the section where there are more exciting transitions available for better effects. As you can see here, more AI transitions are found under the 3D section. We enter and carefully choose from a wide variety of exciting 3D transitions, just like the impressive AI ones you see here. Choose what you like best from the exciting options available. That's it! You can use both these transitions and the impressive AI transition we just created together. However, I suggest you try using these amazing AI 3D transitions for the best results, as you can see here. Here it is now. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and goodbye for now.